OnlyTG Echo has updated the ban contacts feature. You can now ban specific contacts with simple operations. Once banned, your bot will no longer forward messages from them, effectively stopping malicious harassment and spamming issues. So, how to use the ban contacts feature? After the bot forwards messages from a contact, click the button below or right-click its message and click Reply button, long tap on mobile. Then send the ban command. The bot will notify you that the chat connection is disconnected and the contact is banned. The bot will stop forwarding their messages to you, while they can still use other normal bot functions. When you need to unban, reply to this contact in the same way and send the unban command. You'll get a prompt that you have unbanned the contact. If your bot is switched to topic mode, the operation is slightly different. Topic mode supports team collaboration. You can check our previous videos for full details. The link is placed in the comment section. In topic mode, you can send the ban command directly in the topic associated with that contact. After sending the command, the bot will notify you that the contact has been banned. The bot will stop forwarding their messages to topic, while they can still use other normal bot functions. To unban the contact, simply send the unban command, and the bot will notify you that the ban has been lifted. In addition, you can ban or unban contacts in the OnlyTG console. To access the console, click Open App in OnlyTG Echo or enter app.onlytg.io directly into your browser. Once there, click Contacts in the left-hand menu. Then locate the Action column on the far right. From the More drop-down menu, you can ban or unban contacts. We're still developing more features to help you improve operational efficiency. Follow us to stay updated.